Okay, so hear me out. What if every design you made in Canva could also talk? You've got the design looking perfect, the layout, the brand colors, everything. But the moment you need a talking avatar on it, you're suddenly juggling 3 tabs, exporting files, re-uploading assets, and losing your mind. Sound familiar? On this week's Level Up, we're breaking down the HeyGen and Canva integration, what it is, how it works, and exactly how to use it so your avatar lives right inside your design. Type a script, hit generate, and walk away with a polished, talking video ready to ship. HeyGen is now a native app inside Canva, and it changes everything about how you build video. Open the apps panel, find HeyGen, and your entire avatar library is already waiting for you, your digital twin included. From there, it's a 5-step workflow. Pick your avatar, set your frame style, choose your background, drop in your script, select your voice, and then hit generate. The video renders and lands directly inside of your design, positioned, sized, and ready to go. Export as MP4 and you're ready to ship. That's the whole process. The first way in is straight from your HeyGen dashboard, and it takes about 10 seconds. On the left sidebar, click Integrations. Find the Canva tile and hit Connect. From there, HeyGen gives you 2 options. Open an existing Canva design or start a fresh one from scratch. Pick whichever one fits your style and you're in. That's way 1. Now what if you don't want to leave Canva? Well, you don't have to. Open any design, click Apps on the left sidebar, search HeyGen AI Avatars, and open it. First time in, you'll see a Connect prompt inside the panel. Click it, sign it with your HeyGen account, authorize the access, and that's it. Your avatars load instantly and you can start creating right from where you already are. Now, once you're connected, here's the flow. Pick your avatar toggle between My Avatars for your digital twins and Public Avatars for everything else. Choose your view frame or circle depending on how it fits within your design. Set your background color or keep it transparent to let your Canva design show through. Type your script directly in the panel. Select your voice or use your cloned voice if you've already set one up, and then hit generate. HeyGen renders the video and drops it straight into your design. Hit share download to export as MP4. So now you can turn any slide into a narrated video presentation. Each slide becomes a scene and your avatar walks the audience through the content. The whole thing exports as a single shareable MP4 ready for email, LinkedIn, or your website. You can even design your social ads in Canva, sized perfectly for Reels, TikTok, or LinkedIn, and then add a HeyGen presenter. Now, imagine you're a real estate agent with 10 new listings this week. Your property brochures are already designed in Canva with floor plans, photos, pricing. Instead of driving to each property to film a walkthrough video, your digital twin appears right inside that listing deck, speaks directly to the buyers, highlights the key features, and your video tour is ready to send before the open house is even booked. Overall, using HeyGen inside Canva turns static designs into videos that actually speak. Decks become narrated presentations, flyers become polished promos, social posts become avatar-led ads, and your digital twin can show up right inside the designs you're already making. There's no exporting, there's no re-uploading, and no building your layout somewhere else. You just open Canva, add HeyGen, generate your avatar video, and you ship it. That's your level up. Try HeyGen inside Canva today and turn your next design into a video.